Hi everybody, Caroline Thomas here and back with you to show you how to use Chat GPT for more marketing, especially today on LinkedIn. So today's video is all about how to use Chat GPT to make your LinkedIn posts more engaging. And why do we want more engaging posts? Well, the more comments, the more reactions that we get on our LinkedIn posts, the more reach. So the more people that see our posts. The more people that see our posts, we get even more comments or reactions. More engagement means being remembered more easily. And it also means that it gives you the opportunity to connect with individuals in the conversation and have conversations in the comments of your posts. More conversations, more opportunities to be remembered, more opportunities to do business. So do you ever get stuck what to write? I know many people that stay away from social media, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, wherever, because they just don't know what to write. And there are many different types of posts to write. But today we're going to cover off how to make your LinkedIn posts more engaging. So how to increase engagement on LinkedIn. So this will be a post that has an objective purely for engagement. And that's where our superhero Chat GPT enters. You just need to know the right prompts to add to OpenAI Chat GPT to be able to create engaging LinkedIn posts. So are you ready to get started? Grab your tablet, your laptop, your pen, if you're old school, on paper, and let's get started. Let's start writing our prompt. So the first thing we're going to write or type is write a LinkedIn post about, and I want you to choose the topic. So you add the topic there. In my case, I chose how AI may replace marketing team members in the future. And then you continue the sentence with aimed to engage, and you enter your target audience. So in my example that I'll show you later, it was marketing teams. And then continue the sentence in OpenAI Chat GPT with tone of voice, and you add the tone of voice. So in my case, it was friendly and concerned. And then you continue your prompt, you continue your sentence that you're writing, that you're going to put into OpenAI or ChatGPT, and you're going to add a compelling call to action and then you enter the action that you want them to take. So in my case, because this is an engaging post where the objective is purely to get engagement, I wrote my desired action to be to get readers to comment below. You can ask ChatGPT to provide emoji and hashtag suggestions. And you can even ask it to provide image suggestions so that you make sure that you attract attention in the feed of LinkedIn as people are scrolling through to make them stop and read your post. So here's what I wrote. Write a LinkedIn post about how ChatGPT might replace jobs in the future to encourage marketers in a friendly and concerned tone. Add a compelling call to action to encourage readers to post their thoughts in the comments. Provide emoji suggestions and hashtag suggestions. Provide image suggestions that will attract attention in the LinkedIn newsfeed that will go well with this post. And here's the output. I don't need to read it to you, but I didn't really like this. What I did really like were the emojis, and I liked the hashtags. I liked the image suggestion, but what I didn't really like was that it was so long, because if you think about how LinkedIn show posts, you wouldn't have been able to see much more before the large amounts of data. So before you have to click read more, you need to grab attention up front. So it didn't hit the mark for me, so I needed to ask for more responses. And you can do the same. You just click generate response until you get closer to the mark. But if it's still not quite right, you can ask it to improve on your favorite response so far. So here we are. I wrote improve on this social media post, and I put all of the information that I'd got from other attempts. And it says, great start, here's a revised version. Now look how much more compelling that is. Attention marketer, so it's calling out my target market straight away. And that sentence will show before people have to click see more. And that's why for me it's a great post. And it also gives me different visual suggestions that I might use in other AI tools to create images. So what are other prompts that you could do to improve your post? So to improve your post, you can put improve on this post and keep going and generating responses until you get what you really want. You can ask it to give you more image ideas. Maybe the ones that they've suggested aren't quite right for you. And you can ask it to make the call to action more appealing. So if you found this video useful, please do subscribe for more Chat GPT. Oh, put my teeth in. More Chat GPT prompts that are coming soon. And thanks very much for watching. I look forward to seeing you soon.